Hey guys, it's been a long time, but I want to make an EDC update. I have so little battery left, but I will try to make this quick. So, first, boring thing, it's my watch. It's a KCO SGW100, so digital watch. Of course, the Sabre red pepper spray for self-defense. It's really scratch up. A cotton bandana that I found quite useful. And oops. Paracord, black Paracord 550 bracelet with the cobra stitch. My wallet is the Maxpedition. It's not the Spartan. Man. Just wait 1 second, guys. It's the... Sorry guys, it is the Spartan wallet. It has my cards and such, so I would not open that up. Sorry. I'm still carrying this little pouch, but besides that, it's winter here, and I carry like a coat always, or a sweater. I keep this on my backpack, in this pouch on the outside, so it's fairly accessible. So, as you saw on the other video, I didn't change this. Has my Fenix LD01, the scratch up Fisher space pen, Sharpie, the Victorinox Pioneer / Soldier, a bunch of paper and duct tape on this side, and a few band-aids. And on the outside we have a few clips, rubber band, and the excellent Paracord ladybug. So that's that. My phone, it's a Motorola Milestone 3, featuring a full QWERTY keyboard. Sorry. On this leather pouch. It's like the ones that BlackBerry uses, but it's more by brand, so it's no name, but it's real leather, and it's has a really nice quality. And last but not least, my keys. They're my regular keys, real climbing carabiner with a little bit of paracord wrapped on the side, and the tools that I changed. I've been carrying this Victorinox on my keys. The previous, I was carrying this Victorinox on my keys in the previous EDC update, and now I changed it for these two items. This is a Gerber Dime, which I don't like at all. I really want to get a Leatherman PS4 or the before at least. Has a month on the keyring, and it's already scratched up really bad on all of the sides. The tools are extremely hard to get out. It's not easy at all. The scissors are hard as hell, and they are so tiny cutting area that it's almost useless. Even the pliers are hard to open. It's not really bad, but I still prefer a Leatherman PS4. I really love this light. It's a Fenix E05. Has something like 30 lumens. Let me just focus. There you go. It's 30 lumens light, which is quite cool for the size of it. It's using only a AAA battery and works great. So guys, that's my EDC. I have no more battery, so I have to cut this video right here. So thanks for joining. Please rate, subscribe and comment right down below. Thanks for watching. Nos vemos en el próximo. Bye bye.